Hello. Welcome to Foreign Friday on InternationalGays. If you don't know what's going on Monday we had Scotty as our host, and he picked the smoothie challenge as the theme. And before I start, I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I was very excited when we started doing hosts on Monday, and I was like, oh, nice new teams and stuff. But it's turning into not Mystery Monday, but come up with a way to bully a couple of faggots Monday. Because Fred chose an awful team, now Scotty chose an awful team, and I'm just... If the next theme is gonna be another irritating thing, then I'm gonna cut a bitch. And I was planning to not do this thing, but if you watched the other videos, the other guys suffered pretty badly, especially Rich. Rich was a trooper. So I'm not gonna play games, I'm gonna actually do this. So yeah. One problem, I don't own a blender, so I'm gonna use this shaker. So it's not gonna be the smoothie challenge, but more sort of I'm gonna just chop up stuff. Yeah, so it's not gonna be a smoothie challenge, but more like the bubble tea challenge. And if you don't know bubble tea, it's like Japanese juicy tea with disgusting jelly blobs at the bottom of your drink. So yeah, let's start. So I made a cup with the normal ingredients and a cup with my liquids. As liquids I have apple juice, pineapple juice and grape juice. I'm gonna make this as sweet as possible just to... and as the good ingredients I have all sweet fruits as well. Pineapple, peaches, pears, lychees and a kiwi. And then at the bad ingredient, Scotty chose for me to have butter in it, and I chose like liquid butter because I think that's easier in a smoothie. And I'm not gonna use a stick of butter, I'm not Paula Deen, guys. I have mustard, a red pesto, olives and gherkins. So yeah, let's go. First ingredient. Lychees. See, I'm not cheating. Can you see it? Can you see it? Lychees. Oh, goodness. Yum. Lychees were invented by Count Dracula in 2016. Second ingredient. Gherkins. I'm a homosexual. Do you like my kitchen knife? It's nice and pink and good. Gherkins were invented by Professor Oak in 1875. Okay, next ingredient. Kiwi. Perfect. Can you see it? Can you see it? Kiwis were invented by Nicole Kidman in 1845, guys. Ingredient number 4. Mustard. Yum. Mustard was invented by Colonel Mustard during a game of Clue in 1995. Yum! This is super spicy, by the way. I like it. Fifth ingredient. Let's hope for another fruit. Olives. Shut up. Olives were invented by Obama in 200 BC. And now for the butter. This is the point where things can only go right, because I like them all. Apple juice. Loves apple juice. Apple apple juice was invented by Andrew Wears Yellow in 1800. Ugh. So the butter got all chunky and stuff. Let's shake it somewhat. Okay, let's go. So I'm not even tasting it. I'm gonna do big gulps. You guys wanna see it? You wanna see it? It's not bad, really. It's like, yeah. I'm just, yeah. I think it's the butter. Scotty warned me for the butter. And I put in a pretty generous amount of the butter. No, why, guys? Why? Why is this a thing? Why do we like to do? I don't like to do this. Why do people like to watch this? Please leave a comment telling me why people like to do. Well, I like to see people do stuff like the smoothie challenge and the cinnamon challenge because I am puzzled. Please, next Mystery Monday, please, don't make us do anything disgusting or embarrassing or whatever. I'm struggling. I can't even point out what makes it, what it makes. Oh, I can't even talk anymore. I don't know why it's so. I can't believe it's butter, but I think it's butter that makes it taste awful. Why? Just why? The last time I burped in a video it was a hit, so might as well do it again. Almost done. Final go. Okay, done. Goodbye.